Okay guys, this is a quick tutorial for probably the more experienced people to do the 2017 to 2020 Volkswagen Golf 1.4 liter timing belt. Just going to go over everything real quick, so hopefully you know how to tear it down and get there. No special tools needed, even though if you're like me, that's what got me into it. I took on the job and then I thought, oh no, Volkswagen, is it going to need special tools? And everything said it did, but I did it without special tools. Here's what my kit was. It was the Opti belt kit, ZRK. Here's the part number, KT1559. It came with these bolts, this O-ring, seals, which I won't be using because I'm not taking it that far apart, and of course the belt. The tensioner for the drive belt, you could use the special European bolt tools. It's basically a Torx bit with 12 points. I didn't have them on my van because I'm a mobile mechanic, so I used the Torx TX50 and it got them loose no problem. You kind of need to get that out to get this aluminum bracket out. It comes out through the bottom. When you let the engine down, it comes out through there. When you'll have to jack the engine up to get to some of the bolts and the mount, always jack up on a board or something that can support the whole pan, because if you just use the jack, you will dent your pan. Now what I did, I just put the crank wherever I wanted. I chose, there's two marks. I don't know if you can see them. There's one here and one here. And I just lined them up. This little thing between the letters. There's a little mark there. And then I marked everything. You can't really see it too well, but I marked the cog black and the belt silver. I had a paint pen for that. And then I put another one down here. Again, the cog is black and a silver line. And I came up to the top and I did the same with this. Black, silver. I always like to put two marks to make sure everything's where it should be. And then the same on this one, black and silver. Now when I took the belt off, it did jump. These two cogs jumped. It took a little bit of finessing and finicking, but I got them all back on, and because I had everything marked, I know exactly where it belongs. It would help to have a second person to help hold things when you're putting the belt on all the around all the cogs and wheels and that, but I was able to do it by myself. Another special tool, not really special, but you need a 32 millimeter 12 point. I used a wrench for the tensioner, and for this bolt here on the crank, you'll need a 21 millimeter 12 point socket and a rattle gun. You don't have to worry. I've ran into it on Ford Fiesta. I pulled this bolt off and the pulley there free moves. So on that one, you definitely need special tools. On this one, behind there's a flat spot, so it can only go on one way. So you can do it without the special tools. And that's what allows it to do it, is because you can't turn the cogs without it being at the right spot. And then I didn't have to pull off the valve cover or anything. I did pull out the air filter just because I'm putting a new air filter in there. So that's how it is. It's doable. As long as you got the mechanical knowledge, you don't need special tools. Thanks for watching.